In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Chrome history and cookies. If you're using Chrome on an Android device and want to remove your browsing history or clear stored website data, this process is quick and straightforward. It's useful if you want a little more privacy, need to free up some space, or just want to tidy up your browser. To begin, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its browser controls and settings, including the options for managing your history and stored data. After opening the menu, select History, or if your version of Chrome shows it right away, tap Delete Browsing Data directly from the menu. Either path will take you to the area where you can choose what information you want to remove from the browser. Next, find the time range option. This setting lets you control how much history you want to clear. For example, you may be able to remove data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. Choose the option that best matches what you want to erase. If you only want to remove recent activity, a shorter range may be enough. If you want a full reset of your browsing history, choose all time. Once you've selected the time range, make sure the box next to browsing history is checked. This tells Chrome to remove the record of the websites you visited. You should also review the other options on the screen carefully. If there are any types of data you want to keep, such as cookies or cached images, uncheck those boxes before continuing. This is helpful because clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, while removing cached files can make some pages load a little slower the next time you visit them. When everything looks correct, tap the Delete Data button, or on some devices it may say Clear Data. Chrome may ask you to confirm the action, especially if you're deleting a larger amount of information. If that happens, simply confirm to complete the process. And that's it. Your selected Chrome history and data will be cleared based on the choices you made. If you found this helpful, you can use the same steps anytime you want to manage your browsing data on Android.